Hey, I'm Matai from CoAgents, and I'm really excited to introduce our new CoAgents extension built alongside LangChain and LangGraph, which gives you everything you need to deeply integrate LangGraph agents into applications and create really deep, tight, human-in-the-loop flows for your agents. So in this example, we take a research agent, which helps us figure out research questions. And at the core of this app is a LangGraph agent, which can search the web, download resources, perform research, and so on. And so without further ado, let's jump into the demo. Now here's our research helper, which we built in just a few hours using LangGraph and our new CoAgents extension. So just imagine what you can build. In this case, we're going to look into founder mode. Is it the best way to run a company? Yes or no? And we want the research draft to follow pros, cons, and conclusion. Now, one of the things you get for free with CoAgents is shared state between the agent and the application, which means these are no longer two distinct systems. They're actually one cohesive system. You also see here agentic generative UI, a new type of generative UI that is based on the agent state, once again, what the agent is currently doing, which exists in addition to the tool calling abstraction we become familiar with. This works both ways. Now the agent is figuring out resources that it wants to read, and these resources are represented simultaneously in the application. Now after it figures out the resources, it's downloading them, and once it's downloaded them, it's actually going to go and write the research report. And we see it follows the structure we set out for it: pros, cons, and conclusion, because it saw that piece of state. Now let's also see human in the loop, which again you can implement in literally just a few lines of code, basic code. So in this case, we want to delete the least prestigious resource and then regenerate the article, of course. So okay, looks good. Let's delete it. And it's regenerating the article. Again, it's regenerating the agent state, which is reflected in real time streaming in the application. This just scratches the surface of what you can build. If you want to look a little bit behind the scenes and see how you can build something like this in just a few hours and a few lines of code, go to the next video where we go behind the scenes.